Hi there, this is KS, and in this video we're gonna discuss about what is basic structure. Fine, as you can see, basic structure. So, people, let me ask you something that uh, have you let's say this is A, B, C, and D. There are different varieties of mango. Fine, let's say this is mango variety A, or B, C, and D. And did you ever notice that the basic taste in all that cases remains the same? Let's take a case of another case. Tea. When you go to market, you will find different variety of teas. Fine. The same case is with coffee, and if you take any other thing. Fine. So what I'm trying to saying here is that in case of mango or in case of tea or coffee, the basic taste. What was this I said? The basic taste. It will remain the same. Fine. Now let's come back to here. Basic structure. What is this basic structure? Supreme Court or High Court do not define what is basic structure. There are a number of cases, and for their convenience, and if anything that violates constitution or fundamental right, anything like that, then judiciary will interpret it like this is the part of basic structure. And when it came, it was in 20 I let me write it, 24th of April 1973, in Keswanand Bharti case, state of Kerala. At that time this was decided that the basic structure, in that case the Supreme Court said that Parliament can amend any part of constitution, but remember the basic structure should not be affected, should not be violated. Now what is basic structure? That's the thing that Supreme Court or High Court, judiciary did not define it, but it has given in different cases, different provisions, like a rule of law. I'm going to write a number of lists here, you can write it down. Fine. So what do you mean by basic structure? Just try to think from the example that we took mango, coffee, tea. The basic taste remains same. Fine. So there are a number of cases. Okay, let me ask you one question. Right. Fundamental right is a part of basic structure. Is it a basic structure? Yes or no, guys? My question to you is, fundamental right, is it a part of basic structure, or is it a basic structure? The answer to this question is no. Fundamental rights are not a basic structure. Whatever they achieve, whatever they achieve, whatever they achieve is a basic structure. Fine. So remember, they can give you a statement in a PT like that. Which of the following is true or incorrect, that fundamental right is a part of basic structure. Fine. So I'm gonna write a list here. You know, in different cases, the judiciary has defined this is a part of basic structure. So you can write with me. First one is supremacy of constitution. Fine. The second thing is rule of law. The third one is separation of power. Fine. The fourth one is check and balances. Fine. The fifth one is federalism. Then we have judicial judicial review. Then we have independence of judiciary. Fine. Then we have socialism. The next one is sovereignty of India. Fine. And then we have access to justice. Then the next one, I hope you people can see that this one. Let me see it. The last one, I guess you cannot see that. Access to justice. The next one is unity and integrity of India. Let me write it here. Unity and integrity of India. Then the next one we have mandate to build a welfare state. Let me see if there any provision that is left. Uh, welfare state. Fine. Yeah, that's it. Fine. So these are some, and you can write, etc. There are a number of other provisions. Fine. So this is what these are the part of basic structure. Any of them can be asked in your PT. They'll give which of the following is a part of basic structure or not. Fine. So that's all about this basic structure. Let me see if anything is left here. Parliament can amend the constitution, and if it violates these basic structure, then that law or amendment will be unconstitutional. It will be void. Fine. Declared void. Fine. So this is all about it. I hope you people got this. Fine.